True success isn't about luck. It's built on consistent, powerful habits.
What if I told you that right now, there's an AI tool that can turn your ideas into complete YouTube videos while you're literally sleeping? Hey everyone, welcome to Tim AI Tool US, your guide to AI tools that save time and help you build income online. If you love discovering powerful tools that make content creation easier and faster, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week I share the best AI tips to help you grow and earn smarter. And trust me, stay until the end, because I'll reveal a bonus tip that can help you reach YouTube monetization even faster. One of my favorite quotes says, "If you don't create passive income, you'll stay stuck in active exhaustion." Harsh but true. And today's tool, Fliki AI, can actually help you make that happen. We're going to explore what Fliki AI is, how it works, and I'll walk you step by step through creating a real video, right on screen, so you can do it too. So what exactly is Fliki AI? Think of it as your personal video studio in the cloud. You type your idea, and in just minutes, it creates a full video with natural voiceover and subtitles. No fancy software, no editing headaches. It's perfect whether you're a content creator, marketer, teacher, or just starting your faceless YouTube channel. You can even use a mid-range laptop like mine, and it still runs smoothly. Want to try it for free? Click the link in the description. No credit card needed. When you log in, the dashboard might look a bit busy, but don't worry. It's actually very beginner-friendly. Let's look at 5 powerful features you'll use the most. 1. Go to video, choose idea, prompt, or URL. Create videos from blogs or ideas. 2. Go to audio. Choose script. Convert text to voice. 3. Go to design. Choose thumbnails. 4. Use AI avatars and templates. Go to the video section and click on script, or go to design, click presentation. 5. Clone your own voice for future videos. Go to the video section and click on record. Basically, Fliki replaces an editor, a voice actor, and a designer, all in one. Let's make a real project together. First, click on Idea. Here you'll see a text box where you can enter your video idea. For example, you can type something like 10 habits to achieve success. Once you've entered your idea, move on to the duration section. You can adjust the video length based on what you need. Make it shorter or longer as you like. After setting the duration, click Next. Now we're at the template section. Here, you can choose the aspect ratio for your video. 9:16 for TikTok or Shorts, 1:1 for Facebook, 16:9 for YouTube. Once you've picked your format, click Next again. Next up is the language section. Fliki offers a wide range of languages. For this tutorial, I'll choose English for my video. You can also customize the tone, purpose, and audience. Pretty cool, right? When you're done, click Skip to move on to the script section. Here, you can customize your video even more. You can add stock videos, AI media, AI avatars, or even your brand kit if you have one. Finally, let's choose a voiceover. Fliki has a lot of voices to pick from. They sound really natural and professional. After you've chosen your favorite voice, just click Submit, and Fliki will automatically create your video for you. And here's the interface after Fliki AI finishes creating your video. When you click on any scene, you can easily edit the voiceover, text, or media just the way you want. You can also add your own audio to personalize the video even more. One of the coolest features of Fliki is that you can create an AI avatar for your video. Just click on Avatar, and you'll instantly see a wide variety of avatars to choose from. Once you're happy with your video, click Download. Then, select your preferred resolution and format. Finally, hit Start Export, and your video will be ready in just a few moments. Overall, here's my honest take. Easy to use, professional results, cloud-based. A few AI visuals need tweaks, but for the value, it's 100% worth it. If your goal is to grow a YouTube channel fast, Fliki can help you hit monetization goals faster by posting 3 shorts a day. So, what will you create first with Fliki AI? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. My channel is Tim AI Tool US. See you in the next